passion fruit season. It's weird because it's the middle of winter, but we've had a couple of passion fruit fall off our Panama Gold. One of them is wrinkled but green. The other one we've left out on the bench for a while. So we're going to chop these open and maybe have a taste. This green wrinkled one I think is going to be a write-off, honestly. Oh, it's a tough shell. Maybe, maybe not. Smells fine. We need a teaspoon for the camera person. Pulpy and juicy. Oh my God, it's sour. It's got very little sweetness to it at all. So I might not eat that one. I expected it to be no good. But here's our first one that dropped. And we've let it ripen for what, 2 weeks? About 2 weeks. That looks much juicier. Question is, will it be incredibly sour? If I can get any out. Yeah, it's fairly sour, but it's actually quite nice. The real test is going to be, not Rufus this time, even though he will have a taste, is a camera person, because she doesn't like tart fruit. So we'll swap cameras and let's watch the face pucker up.
It's juicy.
Mm.
Nice pulp.
Yep, there she goes, puckering up. No good?
It's very tart.
Yeah, I don't mind
I
that.
don't know if we have to wait for it to get really wrinkly.
Well,
Because it says if you let it ripen more, you get more sweetness. But
pass the other one over. This one fell off the tree, and I think we'll leave it until number one. All that green's gone, and it's a really deep yellow. So we'll leave this one quite a while longer. So these are meant to be a very sweet, tropically type passion fruit. And so far, I wouldn't agree with that. It's very tart.
But you'd like it.
I quite like it, yes. It'd go well in a drink. I might put in some of the kombucha. Does Rufus like it? He doesn't mind. You want more?
I think it's a bit...
No, he's changed his mind. All right, people. Let me know how you've gone with these Panama Golds and if they're really tart for you or not. You guys enjoy life? I'll catch you in the garden.